Ready, go.
Alright, so now we're in the hood with aspirator 3, and you need to take off the lid and check that the water level is above the tubes in the bath. So put the lid back on. And to turn on the actual aspirator, there's a switch in the back, and you just find it in the back and flick it up. Okay. So now our aspirator's on. Now, to put your round bottom flask on, you want to make sure that it's less than half full, or else it could overflow and gum. Okay. So slide the round bottom flask onto the bum trap and make sure you hold the bottom. And now take a cat clamp, and you can see there's a shorter side and a taller side. Make sure that the taller side is facing your round bottom flask. Alright, and even though your cat clamp was on, you still have to keep a hand at the bottom of your round bottom flask so that it doesn't fall off. And now you want to introduce the vacuum slowly. You can see the vacuum where the hole is in this piece right here. And you can hear the aspirator starting to work in the hood. So now that your vacuum is on, you can take your hand away, and you want to turn on the switch to turn on the rotation, and slowly turn on rotation. And you really want to let the round bottom flask and the solvent in there have time to adjust to everything so that the environment doesn't change too much and it boils. This is a pretty small round bottom flask, so I'm going to go slowly with it. And then so normally you could increase the rotation. You want to make sure that your collection trap is in ice so that the equilibrium shifts this way so that the solvent drips out and that it doesn't go back down into the liquid to the other side of the equation. Okay. And then to lower and raise your round bottom flask, you use this button here, and you can go up or down accordingly. And after a few minutes, if you've turned the rotation up and your solvent still isn't evaporating and dripping down off this condenser, then you can turn on the water bath. And you can lower your round bottom flask into the water bath. And you also have to make sure that your bum trap won't hit this lid. You can see we have it dripping right here. Actually, this doesn't need to be in the water bath, so I'm going to take it out. Turn that off. Okay. So, once there's no more dripping on your condenser, you can turn off your water bath